Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can easily delete comments that we have ever posted on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened and we're going to delete the comments that we have ever made. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the profile button right here, and after that you just need to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then just click on your activity right here, and since we want to delete comments, we can click on comments option. Alright, and we can sort and folder these comments. We can click on this button to sort it, and we can sort the comment by newest to oldest or vice versa. And we can go back, and we could also filter the comment by date. We can choose old date or last week, last month, last year, and you can choose it as you want. And if you want to delete the comment, you just have to tap and hold on the comment like this, and after that just click the comments that you want to delete like this. And after you're done, you can click on delete button right here to delete the comments, and just click on delete. Okay guys, and now the comments have been deleted, and that's how we can easily delete our comments that we have ever posted on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.